What's up, bro? Hi, hi, hi. Just stay online. I'm gonna get her online. What's up, bro? Tell me, Sham.
Hi, hi. Can people hear
So,
us?
guys, I want to address the situation, the perils of going live with everybody and asking is it's easier for us to like talk because we can also get back and do a private recording and upload it. But I feel that the part where we go live and take questions and like you guys can ask questions too, so
Hi, Anik.
I mean that's more fun. I feel like can't hear you.
Hi,
Can you
Anik.
hear me now?
I can hear you.
Can you guys hear me?
Anyone else? Anik can't.
The fuck,
Anyone else?
bro. So this is why I mean we have to work it out. I cannot really. We already have questions coming in. Collagen powder and information from. Okay, can you guys hear us? Give us a Y or an N.
Yes, guys? All clear, all clear, all clear. Okay, okay. Let's take
Collagen
questions,
powder.
man. We will. Collagen powder. Collagen powder is
Collagen powder.
it's great. It's a supplement that you can include on an everyday for your skin, for the way your the elasticity of the muscles. If you have issues with some kind of any kind of joints or anything like that, then collagen is great for skin, hair. Collagen is it's become like the way it's been marketed right now. It's become like it's something that's necessary. It's perfectly healthy to take it, guys. I feel like there's no harm in taking collagen. It's expensive,
Right, right.
yeah. Yeah.
So so apparently it's a problem from my side. I cannot do anything other than hope and pray like IG's network gets better. So as far as I'm concerned, the Wi-Fi router is right behind my ass. Like I can't get it any nearer. I cannot do
One of
anything.
the one of
So
the most
probably it's
fun
the rainy
lives I've been a
weather.
part of.
I think it's all due to my amazing setup in the background. Well, yeah. So
Yeah.
hopefully, I think also you don't need to hear me. If her voice is clear, it's better. Hey, bro, this is a podcast, bro. There's no censorship. I'm sorry.
It's his podcast, guys. You can't come and say language. I'm sorry.
Yeah, come on. Come on, like I'm not on CNBC doing live in the morning with my suit on. Come on, guys. Okay,
Yeah.
where are we?
Yeah. So I don't know where we were. We were in collagen.
Collagen
We
powder,
finished. Yeah, we finished that. Any other questions that's there that we need to take?
collagen powder,
Nirmaya,
and
I think
Ayurveda.
Nirmaya, I got this information from like, dude, DM me. Maybe we can talk more about this.
Yeah.
It's very specific. Let's talk more about this.
What's the difference between a dietitian and a nutritionist?
Uh, a dietitian
Is
is
there
somebody who deals
how
with medical more of the medical side of this thing. So somebody who's into surgery or they have post
ha ha
surgery
ha.
process, and then who works in a hospital setup where
Okay.
a dietitian is somebody who's trained there. Like if you can't eat food, then it goes through a pipe, right? So a dietitian is trained, studies a lot of these medicinal nutrition processes, which so they are called a dietitian for that reason. A nutritionist is somebody who does a
Okay.
holistic
Okay.
a lifestyle change, and a lot more
General
of lifestyle issues, yeah, PCOS,
on a general
obesity, and yes, yes,
lifestyle issues.
yes, yes.
Right. So
Yeah.
is salad good in the night for someone with reflux?
Raw, no. Raw is definitely not. If you have acid reflux, raw vegetables again is a trigger for it. Do steam, do boiled, do some kind of saute, but not raw vegetables. It does not suit for somebody with an acid reflux issue.
What about the proverbial early morning question? You have to have lime water as soon as you wake up.
If you do too much lime water, your teeth is going to turn yellow really fast.
Okay, noted.
Yeah, so you have to just do a couple of drops. Definitely does help in removing toxins from the body. A good way to remove toxins, helps with metabolism activation, blah blah.
Bro, who's this, bro?
It's
This is
really good.
PG-13, bro.
I'm sorry. Yeah, so yeah,
Someone's like influencing kids, but I don't know. It's PG-13. But yes,
yeah. Okay, I don't know.
but
I'm not.
yes, I don't
I
know
think I'm missing.
which. I think I don't know about kids. Okay, so we have another. Is soda really that bad? And I mean sparkling water on a daily basis. And athlete next is Jeff Cavalier. So he says he drinks on a daily basis. But what are your thoughts on soda?
Soda is empty calories, Anik. That's the
Right.
so even if you're doing it every day, I know a lot of people who
So
do
I
zero.
think, yeah, yeah. So I think you have to, I feel like you have to address the fact from where I see it also. A lot of people just munch on things and eat empty calories, as you mentioned, right? They don't know what they're eating. They can't count the calories. They don't know what they're eating. Before they even know they've added up a lot of sugar and a lot of calories, that's the reason they're getting fat, because they're not getting really full. They're just eating chips, which is like these many calories, and they're just having like a spoonful of that and this. But by the time you know it, right, you've just loaded up on so much calories that doesn't allow them to, they think they're dieting or like eating clean or cutting out, but they're really loading up on empty calories, right, which doesn't probably allow them to lose weight. Plus they don't probably hit the gym and work out, which is another factor, which they don't like, they don't have expenditure of like the energy that they're consuming. So that's like the probable casual reason which most of them put on weight.
Yes, definitely. Like I said, it's empty calories. When you're loading yourself with empty calories, you're full by that. By the time you have to actually eat real calories. So I know so many people who don't do dinner, or who don't do lunch, and who end up munching because I kept munching something, so I'm not really hungry. Yes, because you've loaded yourself up with empty calories. There's no space for you to eat actual carbohydrates, proteins, and fat, which will give you nutrition, which will help in in actually giving you some nutritional value to your everyday diet. So I feel like chips and everything is not like it's bad and you can never have it. When you have it you can have it in small proportions. When you can have it once in a while, it's absolutely okay. But if you're somebody who keeps munching on something throughout the day, drinking your sodas throughout the day just to stay full and everything, and not actually eating real calories, that's the issue, guys. And like you said, if you're not also physically active, it's not just hitting the gym, lifting weights, doing a
Just getting out of the house on
yeah,
a
just
general, plus
just
people
just
sitting back.
going. Yeah. So just people like being physically active is equally important as well.
With the people, with the work from home situation, people staying back at home, do you think they have better options right now to just focus a bit on nutrition and stuff like that,
Yes,
because
please.
they're
I
not
think
running
now is the
around
time.
picking up
Yeah,
food?
now is the time where you have to focus on real food. Like, the universe is in fact telling us to sit our asses down and
Sit
actually
our
eat
asses
real
down
food.
and
Yeah,
eat real
real
food.
food. Yeah,
What
there was
about,
a duration where
yeah,
we couldn't even order in food, right? Everything
yeah, yeah,
had to
yeah.
be made at home, and people made everything at home, from pani puri to ice cream. It was made at home,
Master
right?
Chef home.
Yeah, yeah. I mean, even if you're making something deep fried, I will always tell my clients, make it at home and eat, because you're in control of the oil quality, you're in control of the
Yeah, yeah.
salt, sugar, everything.
Sugar.
So you know how much you're going in. If you're ordering something, you don't know the quality of the oil, the amount of salt, the amount of sugar that's going in, the soda, the etc., that goes in. So that's much more harmful to your system than having it at home. So, I
Right.
mean, at home we make puri sagu at least once a week, and it's absolutely healthy. It's perfectly
Definitely.
at home.
Okay. Right. Right.
Yeah,
So we have a question on, yeah, yeah. We have a question
go
on
ahead.
ACV, apple cider vinegar. Again, you want your
Guys,
teeth.
it's not. It's not a miracle. It's not a miracle liquid. It's not a miracle product. It's a
If you
great
have kidney stones
addition.
and stuff like that, probably it works.
It's a great addition to your nutrition on an everyday nutrition. This thing, add it to your salads, add it to your, just your sabjis, your palyas, or something like that. Your evening snack or something. Drinking it on an empty stomach, expecting for fat burning. Please, guys, it does not work. I can't be more upfront, more straight than this. it does not work at any given situation. When somebody
Uh-huh.
has like a real medical issue, and when it really helps only for those kind of people. But doing it every day and then expecting miracles to happen, fat to burn off just like that, no, I'm sorry.
Right. So
Yeah.
I want to ask, I want to flip things a bit. Um, how do you prepare to be a nutritionist for anyone of the younger kids who are watching? Supposedly, if
Um,
somebody is watching, if you want to be a
yes.
nutritionist, she's going to tell you like what are the steps and how do you work your way up and how do you understand nutrition, and tell us a bit about what made you get interested in nutrition and like how's it been so far?
Uh,
I know there's
First
a
thing
lot
I
of
would
questions,
say
but
is
yes. No, yeah, yeah. Okay. Audio not clear. Are we losing out on the audio? So what about my audio and video? Are we good? Video is also laggy. I cannot help it, brothers. If you want to watch this live, hmm, okay, your video is laggy. So I think we're taking turns to lag here. Hi guys, for guys who have just come in, we're talking about nutrition, and we have like a bit of a technical issue, but it's way better than not having an episode, I suppose. And we were talking about nutrition, and we were talking about a lot of different stuff. And for those who were along in this episode, it was pretty fun. And she's having a bit of issues, so I probably feel like I need to save this video right now, just about now. Should I save this video, guys? I can I can only hear wait, say wait, wait, wait from the other end. That's all I can hear. I think I should save this, dude.